You are lucky.
I'm so happy with my Princess Squeaky.
That's just the beginning, Kaylee.
You like your scooter that Santa Claus brought you?
Uh-huh.
Do you want to go get a present out from under the tree? I bet the princess ones are yours.
I want to ride the scooter.
No,
I'm gonna get me
it's
one.
mine.
It's fine. Which one's mine? This one's mine. Oh, it's heavy.
Oh, Bailey only has one.
And this
No.
one's mine.
More.
Okay, well open it.
Mine, Mommy.
The princess one.
This
Yeah.
one's mine.
This is difficult.
Baby, this one's mine.
You
See?
scissors.
Kaylee,
This one's mine.
turn around here and open it.
Awesome. Open it.
Whose is that one?
That's mine.
So why are you being mean this morning?
What is that?
Well, I slept pretty good. Rich, I slept pretty good.
Did you? What is that?
Oh, yay. Look, Kaylee.
What is that?
It's a laptop.
Here's I got a laptop.
What? It came before the day after Christmas? Santa Claus must be wonderful. Oh, that is awesome. What is it?
From my beauty shop.
Oh, that is so awesome.
Not the just the paper, not the other bag. Yeah.
Hey, Kaylee, can you set this in there?